In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can use Envelope Distort to warp your text in a shape form. So for this tutorial, I have an apple shape ready because I want to warp my text in the form of an apple. First things first, I'm going to select the path I'm going to use. I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to paste it in place, or Shift Control V. Now this is just to show you something at the end of the tutorial, so it's not necessary to do. I just want to show you something afterwards for which I need the shape. I'm going to make it invisible in the layers window now. So what we need now to do this with is a text. I'm going to make a text, and then with the text selected, I'm going to choose another character. Maybe this one, and I'm going to make it a lot bigger. And then let's also give it a color, some sort of red. Okay, so we have our text we want to use to warp. We have our object and our shape we want to use to warp the text in. And then the first thing you need to check, because the command we're going to use, the Alt Option Control Command C, is a shortcut for the Envelope Distort. As you can see here, make with top object. And so that means that in your layers window, you have to make sure that your text is below your path, or your path is on top of your text, because otherwise this won't work. Now we're going to select both the path and the text we want to use, and now we're going to Alt Option Control Command C, and like that we have our text envelope distorted in our shape of the apple. And as you can see here, much like with a clipping mask, the shape you use to do this envelope distort with disappears, and that's why I needed that shape duplicated. So now I have the exact path I used to make my envelope distort with, and I can make it visible, and this way I have my text envelope distorted in the shape of my shape, and I still have my shape around it. I can also put it on top, of course, depending on what we want. So that's a quick tutorial on how you can use Envelope Distort and Adobe Illustrator to warp your text. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new videos going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video, spending your time with me. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.